Hello, and welcome back to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. We released a video on Sunday, and I asked for questions or comments about the video, but I guess I was just a little naive in thinking that we would get a bunch of subscribers right away, or that we'd have a lot of people commenting, but we didn't. We had like 12 subscribers, and I'm sure most of them were my friends, and no comments. Basically, the first one, we did have a girl say she was proud to see the first to leave a comment, but she said good luck and she could remember when she first started. Either way, I'm going to go ahead and make and release videos on Sunday, and I'm going to go ahead on Wednesday, and hopefully we start having some other comments or questions about us getting ready to go back on the road. And I'm just going to plug along. I'm not giving up. I'm not a quitter. And you will see along the way I make some mistakes, even now, trying to get ready to go back full time. Upcoming videos this Sunday will be how I picked out my YouTube course, and why I did, and it was actually a YouTuber, the Keep My Daydream, the course basically I'm reviewing. And I'd hope you come out, watch the video, and give me some questions and comments, and I'll try to answer them on the middle of the week on Wednesday. I'm going to do it continuously, no matter if next week I don't have a single person look at my videos. I'm going to keep on keeping on. And another upcoming video we're doing is called Traveling Armed. We'll discuss some of the laws in the United States and what type of weapon, if any, that we decide to carry in an RV and how we feel about it. And after that, another upcoming video is on extended stay propane tanks and how we used them during our first RV trip. And then we have a video also about water heater maintenance, that they charge you $175 an hour to work on your water heater. So we're going to talk about that. And I plan many more, including our ventures out into the country and seeing some of the sites before we go full time that are in my area. So please, I ask you please to take a chance on us and subscribe to our channel, and maybe give us a thumbs up, and make this old man proud. And hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I'm going to put on here some drone footage that I shot where our RV is parked currently at my father-in-law's farm. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope to see you Sunday. If you can, come out and watch our video Sunday. It's a pretty informative course, critique of the course that I took from Keep Your Daydream. Okay, all right, I'll let you go. Have a good night.